real story. My friend once tried to describe someone in English. She said, he is big face, small hair, and very tall down. I don't even know what that means. Tall down. What is tall down?
Tall down. Is that even a direction?
Nobody knows, and the person she was describing was standing right there, just staring. It was so embarrassing. But you know what? It happens to all of us. We know the person in our head, but the words just don't come out right.
And today, we are going to fix that. Forever.
By the end of this episode, you will know exactly how to describe anyone, their face, their hair, their height, their style, all of it in beautiful, natural English.
No more tall down.
Never again.
Hey everyone, thanks for listening to our videos. You're listening to Mr. Englishman. I'm Max, and with me here is the always amazing Lily.
Hello, hello, hello. I am so happy you're here today because this topic, oh my goodness, this is one of the most useful things you will ever learn in English.
Absolutely. Think about it. Every single day in real life, people describe other people. What does your friend look like? Can you describe the person? Oh, you should meet my cousin. She is...
See, it comes up all the time, at work, with friends, at the airport, on the phone, everywhere.
And a lot of learners, even intermediate learners, they get stuck on this. They know big words, they know grammar, but describing a person, suddenly, blank face.
Blank face. Total blank face. So today, we are going to fill that blank face with words. Good words, natural words, easy words.
We'll go section by section. Height, body, hair, face, eyes, age, style, everything.
And we'll give you real phrases, real examples, and a fun little quiz at the end.
So stay with us. This is going to be a great one. Okay, let's start simple. Height and body shape. These are the first things people usually say when describing someone.
Right. So the basic words for height are tall, short, and medium height. Or we also say average height.
Average height means not too tall, not too short, just normal.
Very normal. Like me. I am average height.
You are definitely average height, Lily. So here's a simple sentence. She is tall. He is short. They are average height. Very simple, right?
But here's a tip. In real English, we often add a little more. Instead of just she is tall, we say she is quite tall or she is pretty tall.
Quite and pretty, these words make it sound more natural, more like a real person talking.
Try it. Say out loud, he is quite tall. Go on, say it.
Good. Now, body build. This is the shape of the body. Some useful words: slim, thin, athletic, muscular, curvy, chubby, heavyset.
Now wait, let's be careful here. Some of these words can feel rude if you say them in the wrong way. For example, fat. In English, that can feel very rude. We usually don't say that.
Instead, we say heavyset or a bit chubby, and even then, only if you really need to describe it. Be kind. Always be kind.
Slim means the body is thin, but in a nice, healthy way. Curvy usually means the person has a nice, round shape. This word is mostly used for women.
Let's make some example sentences. My brother is tall and athletic. Her grandmother is short and a little chubby. The teacher is slim and average height.
See how easy that is? Height plus build. Just 2 words together and you have a great description already.
Now, let's try it. Think of someone you know, a friend, a family member. How would you describe their height and build in English?
Pause the video if you want. Try to make one sentence, just one. He is, she is. Do it.
Okay, next, hair. Oh, this is a big one because there are so many ways to describe hair.
Yes, we talk about hair in 3 ways: the length, the style, and the color.
Length first. Long, short, medium length, shoulder length. Shoulder length means the hair goes down to the shoulders. Easy to picture, right?
Style. This is fun. Straight, wavy, curly. Straight means no curls. Wavy means a little curly, like soft waves. Curly means big, beautiful curls.
And then there's thick hair, thin hair, frizzy hair. Frizzy means the hair is a little wild and fluffy, like it doesn't want to be controlled.
Like mine in the morning, total frizzy hair.
Now, color. Black, brown, blonde, red, gray, white. And people sometimes dye their hair, so you can say, she has dyed hair, or she has blue hair. And that's totally fine.
Also, some men have no hair at all. We say they are bald. B-A-L-D, bald.
Bald is not bad. Bald is a great word. He is tall and bald. Done. Perfect description.
Let's put it all together now. Here's a full hair description. She has long, wavy brown hair. That's length, style, and color all in one sentence.
Let's practice. Repeat after me. He has short, straight, black hair.
Say it again. He has short, straight, black hair. One more time.
Beautiful. You're doing so well.
Okay, now we go to the face. This is where it gets really interesting because every face is different, right?
Right. Let's start with the general shape of the face. You can say she has a round face, he has an oval face, or she has a sharp face. Sharp means the features are very defined, like a model.
Then we go to specific features. The nose, you can say a small nose, a big nose, a button nose. A button nose is tiny and cute, like a button. Adorable.
The lips. Full lips means thick, big lips. Thin lips means not very big. Simple.
Cheeks. Chubby cheeks means round, full cheeks. Very cute, especially on babies. High cheekbones means you can see the cheekbones clearly. Very fashionable.
And very important, skin. We describe skin as fair skin, very light skin, dark skin, olive skin, a warm medium skin tone, tan skin, a little golden from the sun.
We should say these words naturally and respectfully. Skin color is part of who a person is. Just describe what you see, no judgment.
Also, freckles, small brown spots on the face, usually around the nose and cheeks. Very cute. She has freckles. Easy.
And dimples, little small holes in the cheeks when someone smiles. He has cute dimples. Aww.
You're smiling right now just thinking about dimples, aren't you?
I love dimples. They're the best.
Okay. Eyes. Oh, the eyes are so important in description. Let's go.
Eye color first. Brown, blue, green, gray, hazel. Hazel is a mix of brown and green. Very beautiful.
Then the shape and size of the eyes. Big eyes, small eyes, almond-shaped eyes. Almond-shaped means like the shape of an almond nut, a little long and narrow, very elegant.
You can also say wide eyes. This means the eyes look open and surprised. Or deep-set eyes. This means the eyes are a little deep inside the face.
And let's not forget eyelashes. She has long eyelashes, very common compliment in English.
Let's do a full eye description. Ready? She has big green eyes with long eyelashes. Beautiful sentence, very natural.
Say it yourself. Think of someone with beautiful eyes. Describe them.
Okay, stop. We need to talk about something because right now, most learners make a big mistake, a really common mistake. And I want to know, do you make it?
When people describe someone, they say everything at once, like one giant sentence. He is tall and athletic and has short black hair and brown eyes and a round face and then they run out of air.
No. In real English, we break it up. We describe slowly, step by step. We don't say everything at once.
Think about it like a camera. A camera doesn't show everything at the same time. First, you see the whole body, then the face, then the details.
So describe that way. First, say the height and build, then the hair, then the face. Take your time. It sounds so much more natural.
And here's the second mistake. Learners forget to use adjectives before the noun. In English, we say long hair, not hair long. Big eyes, not eyes big.
Adjective first. Always adjective first. Short hair, brown eyes, round face.
Say it with us. She has long, curly, red hair. Adjective, adjective, color, then noun.
One more time. She has long, curly red hair. Perfect.
Okay, let's talk about age. Sometimes when you describe someone, you want to say how old they look.
Now, we often don't know the exact age, so we use phrases like, he looks about 30, she looks like she's in her 40s, he's in his mid-20s.
Mid-20s means around 24, 25, 26. Early 30s means around 30, 31, 32. Late 40s means around 47, 48, 49. Very useful.
You can also say, she looks young for her age. That's a nice thing to say. Or, he looks older. Just be careful, saying someone looks old might not be the best compliment.
Be kind. Always be kind.
Some other age-related description words: young-looking, mature, middle-aged, elderly. Elderly means old, but it's a very respectful word for older people.
Okay, last big section, style. Because sometimes you describe not just the person's face and body, but also how they dress.
This is really useful, especially when you're trying to find someone in a crowd. What does she look like? She's wearing a red jacket and black jeans.
Some style vocabulary. Casual, relaxed, everyday clothes. Formal, smart, work or office clothes. Trendy, very fashionable, very now. Classic, always looks neat and proper. Sporty, gym clothes, trainers, that kind of thing.
And accessories. Glasses. He wears glasses. A beard. He has a beard. A mustache. Earrings. Tattoos. These are all part of how someone looks.
A beard, by the way, that's the hair on the face, on the chin and jaw. A mustache is just the hair above the lip. Easy.
He has a thick beard. She wears small gold earrings. He has tattoos on his arms. All of these help paint a picture.
Okay, quiz time. This is my favorite part.
Mine too. Okay, listeners, we are going to describe 3 mystery people. You have to picture them in your head. Ready?
Mystery person number 1. She is average height and slim. She has long, straight blonde hair. She has blue eyes and a small nose. She looks like she's in her early 20s. She dresses very casually, jeans and a simple top. Who do you picture?
Maybe a college student? A young woman on her way to class? Every person is different, but you can see her, right? In your mind?
That's the power of description. Now, mystery person number 2. He is tall and muscular. He has very short, dark hair, almost bald. He has a short beard. His skin is dark brown. He looks middle-aged, maybe in his late 30s. He's wearing a formal suit.
Ooh, I picture a very confident businessman. Very strong, very smart looking.
I picture a superhero, but yes, same idea.
Mystery person number 3. This is your challenge. We give you some words, and you make the description.
Okay, the words are short, curly, red hair, green eyes, freckles, round face, slim, average height, early 30s, casual style. Go. Make a sentence. Pause if you need to.
Do it. Try. Put the words together.
Here's one example. She is average height and slim. She has short, curly, red hair and green eyes. She has freckles on her face. She looks like she's in her early 30s. She dresses casually.
Did you get it? Even close? If yes, amazing. You are doing so well.
Okay, now let's do one full, complete description, everything together, so you can see how it all sounds as one natural paragraph.
Imagine you're describing a friend to someone who has never met them. Here we go.
Shara is quite tall and slim. She has long, wavy brown hair and big hazel eyes with really long eyelashes. She has a small nose and full lips. She has a few freckles on her cheeks, which look really cute. She looks like she's in her late 20s. She has a very casual, trendy style. She loves wearing jeans and oversized jackets.
Wow, I feel like I know Sarah already.
She sounds lovely.
See how smooth that sounds? It goes from top to bottom. Height, body, hair, eyes, face, Age, style. It flows.
And notice it's not one giant rushed sentence. It's calm, it's clear, it builds the picture slowly.
Now your turn. Think of someone you love, a friend, a family member, a colleague, and try to describe them out loud or in the comments.
All right, let's quickly review what we learned today, because your brain needs to hear things more than once to really remember them.
Yes, so takeaway number 1. Describe from top to bottom. Height and body first, then hair, then face and eyes, then age, then style. This order sounds the most natural.
Takeaway number 2, use adjectives before the noun. Long hair, brown eyes, round face. Adjective always comes first in English.
Takeaway number 3, use quite, pretty, and a little to make your description sound softer and more natural. She is quite tall. He's a little chubby. She has pretty big eyes.
Takeaway number 4, don't say everything in one breath. Break your description into parts, 1 or 2 sentences at a time. Clear, calm, confident.
And takeaway number 5, be kind. Some words can feel rude. Choose your words carefully. Describe people the way you would want to be described.
Okay, we promised a bonus tip, and here it is.
When you describe someone in English, one beautiful phrase you can use is, you can't miss him or you can't miss her.
This means the person is very easy to recognize. Like, she has bright red hair, you can't miss her. It means they stand out. It's very common in natural English conversation.
Say it with us. He's very tall with a big beard. You can't miss him.
Great phrase, supernatural. Use it.
Okay, beautiful people, that is our lesson for today. And honestly, I am so proud of you for sticking with us all the way to the end.
Seriously, a lot of people don't finish, but you did, and that means something. That means you really want to improve, and you will.
Language learning is not a race. It's a journey. And every word you learn today, every little phrase, it adds up. Slowly, slowly, you become more confident, more natural, more fluent.
So, here's your challenge for today. Go to the comments section right now and describe someone. It can be a celebrity, a friend, a family member, anyone. Use the phrases from today.
We read every single comment, every one. So write yours and we will see it.
And if this episode helped you, please like the video, share it with a friend who's learning English, and subscribe if you haven't already. It really, truly helps us make more of these lessons for you.
You are amazing. Your English is growing, and we are so happy to be part of your journey.
Next time on Mr. Englishman, we are going to teach you something super fun, how to describe someone's personality in English. Because looks are one thing, but character, that's where the real magic is.
Is your best friend funny, serious, generous, stubborn? We'll give you all the words. Don't miss it.
Until next time, keep practicing, keep smiling, and keep going.
Bye, everyone. See you next time.
Take care.